Well, I always get tickled myself at this particular point on these things, looking to see if the GoPro is actually on. So we're getting ready to ride. This is Stanley Creek in Fannin County of Georgia. It's about 49-50 degrees, December the 1st, 2013. And I'm trying out this new windshield that I put on today. I've already made a video about that. And it works very well for such a little bitty thing. Takes the air off your helmet and puts it above your head, and takes most of it off your chest too. This is such a pretty road down through here that I decided that I would show the whole pavement uncut down through here. I love riding this time of year because most of the leaves are down and you can see the cabins and things that you just never see before. Let's just ride along here for a few minutes. These curves are actually sharper than they look like they are. The GoPro fisheye camera kind of straightens out those curves, and they really don't show up like they really are. But they're running about 35-45 mile an hour down through the road. Just cruising along. It's just a fun ride on this little road. One of my very favorite roads. Stanley Creek off there to my left. This is a very pretty area in Fannin County. It's just about the county line. County line actually starts at the dirt end of this road on the other end down there. Fannin County really takes care of their roads, and you can see how nice and smoothly paved this particular one is. CBX 500 has been averaging somewhere between 65 and 70 miles per gallon since I've had it, since after the first tank or two that I put through it. I've not been riding it all that hard. I guess I'd get less mileage if I got out on the highway and run 75-80 mile an hour to Florida or something with it, but the riding I do has been getting excellent gas mileage. In the corner of the Rich Mountain area of Fannin and Gilmer counties. That's those mountains you see off to the left there. Lots of nice homes, lots of cabins down in this area. Lots of old homes that just no one lives there anymore too. This is not the first video I've made of this ride, but it was a cool day and I decided that this is a very nice ride, one of my favorite, and I decided to just ride on down here and video this, and if it turned out, why, I'd make a little video and put on YouTube about it. This is an interesting old home on the left here. It looks like it's been there for years, and I can't decide if anybody still lives there or not. Don't see any cars, but it's still possible. Well, thanks for riding along with old Chainsaw Bob. I hope you enjoyed this little ride.